Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today's concept is very important, present tense. In this video, I will be explaining it very clearly. Watch till the end of the video. So this is Yumara Mahapatra. Welcome back to my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you love this video and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Present tense. At first we should know what is present. Present means what is now, that is present. 2 minutes before, that is past. 2 days before, that is past. 2 months before, that is past. 2 minutes later, that is future. 2 days later, that is future. Okay. So what is now, that is present. Tense means time. The time of now, that is present. Okay. So present tense divided into 4 kinds. One is simple present, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. Right. So simple present, the verb, first form of verb. You have known the verbs. Time means it is related to verb. Okay. Tense means that is verb. Right. What is go is one verb. Seeing the verb, we can say the tense, right? So verb is your go. You have known go, went, gone. 3 forms, another form is going. Go, went, gone, going. Right? We use the first form of verb, that is simple present. Play, played, played, playing. First form of verb, play. The same way, cook, take, we use take, right? These are make. These verbs we use in simple present. The form, this verb means the form, first form of a verb. Then in present continuous, we use the verb ing, playing. Play is the first form. 4th form of a play is playing. We use that verb with is, are. Okay? Playing, is playing, are playing. Right? Then present perfect. Perfect means completion, perfect. Here continuous means what? Something continuing. Okay? That is going on. That is continuous. Present continuous, now. Present continuous means what is going on now. That is continuous. Present continuous. Present perfect. Perfect means complete. Okay. So present perfect. Have, has. Now what is completed? That is present perfect. Now understand? Have, played, has, played. We use. Then present perfect continuous. Perfect means complete. Continuous means continuing. Present means now. Okay. Present perfect continuous. We use have been, has been, playing. Okay. Have been, has been, playing. Something started in the past and continuing still now. That is present perfect continuous. Okay. Again I am revising. Simple present. Simple present means which verb we use? Play. I will say where you use. Use of a simple present I will explain. But we should know how to use first. Simple present, play. Only the verb we use. First form of a verb. In present continuous, we use is, are. These are be verbs. Present be verbs. With present be verbs, we use ing form of verb. That is present continuous. Present perfect, have or has. We use 2 verbs with played. Right? 3rd form of verb. It is not second. You have known play, played, played. Right? Played, played. This is past participle. 4th form, playing. So this is not played. not second form, not first form. This is past participle. Because with have or has, what goes? With have verb, third form of a verb goes. Then present perfect continuous with have been, has been, we use ing form of a verb. Okay. Suppose the first verb, I play. Okay. As per the subject, we use the verb. In two ways, we use our verbs. Somewhere we add s in the verb. Somewhere we add es in the verb. Okay. I play. He plays. Right? I added s. Then she plays. Okay? We play. This is I and we. First person pronoun. I, we. Then second person pronoun, you. Right? You play. Then third person plural pronoun, they play. So play goes. Play means without s or es. In present indefinite, we use play or plays. Indefinite means simple present. Okay? Play or plays. Where you use play, where you use plays. Remember, with subject I, we, you, and they. That they means all kinds of plural subjects. With all kinds of plural subjects, we use play. I play, we play, you play, they play. Right? But with the pronouns, he or she, third person singular. He or she goes what? Plays. This is simple present. This is also simple present. Right? Then come to present continuous. Then present continuous. Am, is, are, was, were. Where you use am, with which subject do you use am? I am. Okay? I am playing. Right? Then we, you, they. With the three subjects, we use are. We are playing, you are playing, they are playing. Understand? I am playing, we are playing, you are playing, they are playing. Then where you use is playing, she or he, each playing. Okay? She is playing, he is playing. Understand? Then come to perfect. Perfect. Present perfect. Present perfect with I have. You have known? I takes have, not has. I, we, you, they. I, we, you, they. Takes what? Have. Have play. Have played. Not play, played. He or she, he or she has. He has played. She has played. Right? Then come to present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. Have been or has been playing. Where you use have been, where you use have. Have played. Have. I, we, you, they have been. Have been playing. Right? Then He or she has been playing. You could know the format. This is the format. Format means what? Subject plus have been plus verb. Right? First simple present. What is for simple present? Subject plus verb. Which verb? One. Right? S also with S or ES. Verb 1. As per the subject, we have to see their S or ES will be added or not. Right? Subject plus verb 1 plus object. This is the format of simple present. Present indefinite. Then for present continuous, subject plus am, is, are. Am, is, are will go as per subject, right? Then plus ing, form of a verb, right? Ing form, verb, plus object. This is the format of present continuous. Then come to present perfect. Present perfect, subject plus have or has. Have or has plus V3. Verb from 3. Okay? Plus object. Then last one, present perfect continuous. Subject plus, right? Have been. Have been or has been. Have been or has been. Plus ing form of verb. Ing form verb.